Okay, the reason I'm smiling is because I'm back in Mario's store and they're letting me do a little walking tour to show you what's going on around here. And they were closed for refurbishment for a while, but now they've reopened and they've got a lot more shelving and more fridge and freezer space. So we'll take a quick look round, shall we? Okay, looking back at where I was just standing, there's more shelving in the middle so they can carry a lot more lines, and there's a lot more space for cans, and I think they're running a fair few more lines than they did before. And check out this cabbage. That's my hand. That just shows you how big that cabbage is. That is a cabbage I would turn into 5 kilo. It's a 5 kilo cabbage. That is a big cabbage even by my standards. I do like, because I make kimchi and I make my own sauerkraut at home, so you really want a cabbage that big if you're making sauerkraut. And there's the bottled stuff right there in the middle. So let's go into the other expansion. This fridge was there before, but what they've done now is they've got all this space in here. They've moved the bread to there, and let's just take you in a bit further. And there's my favourite, the sausage cabinet with the sausage and the beautiful bacon. Oh, and it looks like they got my favourite gherkins there too. We're in luck, boys and girls. Cheese cabinet, and there's some of my favourite little fish things down here as well. These are little smoked fish. They're sprats, and there's some Bismarck herrings and matcha herrings. They're lovely, all that stuff I love. And here is the frozen section with meats and sausages and lovely stuff, all good stuff. And the dumplings, which we absolutely adore. I'll be picking up a few of them. Right, I think that's it. So I'm going to do my shopping now, and then I'll take you home and let you see my shopping haul. I'm so pleased they've reopened. Lovely little shop. Many thanks to my sponsor, Mr. Paul, for helping me bring you this video. Thank you very much, my friend. Okay, my Mario's haul. I've got a Polish Village Bakery seeded sourdough, Alpine seeded sourdough loaf. I've got some protein bread, which is a bit like pumpernickel. I've got some nice Polish cheese. I think that's made from unpasteurized milk. The holes in it might suggest that, but I've had it before and it's really good. Nice full flavoured cheese. I've got some ravioli. They're meat filled ravioli, and they're for dinner tonight, along with that lovely rich pasta sauce. I've got some garlic gherkins, garlic pickles, and these are absolutely wonderful. These are the slivka. They're plums which are dried to prunes and then covered in a confectioner's chocolate, and they're absolutely gorgeous. If you ever see these, and it's Solidarity brand slivka, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Got some fruit, which is pears and apples. I've got some Polish garlic kielbasa sausage. I've got some, this is I think this is a chicken and mortadella. Yeah, chicken and pork, which is nice. It's very cheap and it's really good for making German Fleischsalat with. And there is a meat salad recipe, Fleischsalat recipe, in my German recipes playlist. This is the one on top is a Romanian pork sausage. Okay guys, if you want to help the channel, you can like, subscribe and share and tell all your friends. If you'd like to help with a donation, there's links below to Subscribestar and to PayPal, and there's also, for YouTube viewers only, there's the super thanks button just below this video. Thank you very much. Thanks in advance. Okay, I've no idea what happened there, but I got cut off in the middle of my my explanations. I think we were somewhere near these, the Romanian pork sausages. They're nice, solid, very meaty sausage. And as you see, since then I've already dug into these, and these are a turkey and chicken sausage. They're a big sausage, they are. And then there's this wonderful spiced and herbed bacon from Romania. That's really good, nice price too. And I've got these Silesian sausages, these kielbasa slashka. They're nice, very tasty sausages, and they're pork mainly, but delicious sausages. So I'll be enjoying those over the next few days. If there's anything specific you want to see me cook, let me know in the comments. So there we have it. It's Mario Land grocery shop, and they specialise in Romanian, Polish and other Eastern European goods, and they are situated here in Water Street, Rhyl, and in the middle of the image you can see now, you can just clip the corner of the town hall, so it's right in the centre of town. And you can sometimes usually find parking along here or in Bedford Street over there to the right. Mario Land Grocery.